Hey, I'm the Financial Education Book, your chill guide to money basics.
What's up? I'm Investment Seeds. Small ideas that grow over time.
Together, we're learning crypto and altcoin picks. Explainers, not hype.
Yep, what they are, why they matter, no guessing games.
First off, what's crypto in plain words?
Digital money running on shared online records.
And altcoins? What's that even mean?
Every crypto that isn't Bitcoin.
Why do people care about altcoins?
They try solving different problems.
Problems like?
Payments, apps, games, data, identity.
So not just number go up stuff?
Nah, usefulness comes first.
How do I tell useful from noise?
Check what it actually does.
What should I look at first?
Real-world use, not promises.
Okay, but teams matter, right?
Yeah, real builders beat anonymous hype.
What about big, fancy roadmaps?
Nice, but shipping matters more.
How can regular people use a project?
If it's confusing, adoption's harder.
Is community important?
Strong users usually mean staying power.
What about supply? Too many coins bad?
Scarcity helps, floods don't.
Hey! Do partnerships actually mean anything?
Only if they're actually used.
How do I avoid pure memes?
If it's jokes only, be careful.
Are all cheap coins good deals?
Price low doesn't mean value high.
What's one green flag?
People using it daily.
What's a red flag?
Guaranteed gains talk.
Do I need to understand code?
Nope, understand purpose instead.
How many coins should someone track?
Few, or your brain melts.
Is it okay to miss trends?
Totally. Patience wins.
How long should people think, time-wise?
Think years, not weekends.
Do updates matter?
quiet progress beats loud silence.
What about regulation stuff?
Clear rules usually help.
Should beginners chase new launches? Yeah.
Older projects feel safer.
How do you personally compare projects?
Problem. Users. Progress. Simple.
Any mindset tips?
Curious, calm, not greedy.
What's one common mistake?
Buying vibes, ignoring basics.
How do you learn without overload?
Short reads, steady pace.
Is diversification a thing here? Huh?
Yeah, don't bet everything.
Final question. What should viewers remember?
Learn first, grow slow, skip the hype.